Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Cloudy Cooks in the kitchen. That's what we're talking about. Today we're cooking pineapple and tamarind glazed chicken wings with a side salad of avocado, tomato and cucumber for you. How does that sound? I bet you're thinking that one's gonna be well lit. Anyway guys, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below for you. So what are we waiting for, beautiful foodies? Let's get cooking! Woo! First up, let's season our chicken wings. They've been washed already with lime and vinegar and pat dry. So we're going in with some oil, about a tablespoon, level teaspoon, and the same for onion granules. The first one was garlic granules, some all-purpose seasoning, a good teaspoon, up with some angel wings, enough for flavor, and we're going in with some smoked paprika, about a teaspoon, salt and black pepper. It's about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, or to your taste really. In with the black pepper. Let's give this a good massage to get all these flavorings into the wings. And we're going to marinate it for about half an hour to an hour. I think probably I will do it for about half an hour because I want to get out and enjoy the sunshine. But of course you can marinate it for longer. Once it's all rubbed in, we're going to cover it, set it aside, and then we'll move on to the pineapple and tamarind glaze. Let's make the pineapple and tamarind glaze. 1 cup of fresh pineapple or tinned, whatever you have. Fresh pineapple. 1/4 cup of sugar, brown sugar, to taste. You adjust it accordingly. This is 3 cloves of garlic, grated, teaspoon, grated ginger, Scotch bonnet to taste, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. I'm using some tamarind sauce because my tamarind paste is finished, so we're going to put 2 tablespoons of that in. Two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add in a splash of water as well. I'm going to put the heat on. Right, I've got this on medium heat at the moment, and we're going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the glaze is thickened. And once it's thickened, we are going to strain it. But I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer. Right, I'm just going to put a lid on and let it do its thing, and I'll see you back in 10 to 15 minutes. Right, it's that time to get the wings on the lined baking tray. And what I did, just a little tip I've discovered, in order to keep the parchment steady on the tray and stop moving about, I base it with a little bit of olive oil on the tray and then place the parchment on the top. Just a little tip. Let's layer these wings up. And I've got the oven already been preheated to 220 degrees centigrade, and that's about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Right, these are going to go in the oven now for about 25 to 30 minutes, but flip over halfway in between that period of time. So I shall see you back in 25 to 30 minutes. I've had to change pan because the other one for some reason didn't seem to be compatible with the induction hob that I've got at the moment. So this is done. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of butter to that as well, but it's optional. And if you need to have a bit more glaze, just add a bit more hot water. And if the sauce is too thin, just add a teaspoon of corn flour and some water and pour it in there. Okay, it's time to taste to see whether you need to add anything else. No, that's just fine. And we're going to strain it through the sieve now to get rid of the pineapple and the other bits that's in it. And once this is finished, we're going to set it aside until we're ready to glaze the wings with it. Okay, we're going to transfer the wings into this bowl. Time to add the glaze. Just going to add a bit of it and reserve a little. And we're going to give these a toss, and then we're going to put them back in the oven on the broil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just give it a good toss, or use your tongue to mix it all in. And I'm going to place them back on the tray. Right, in the oven they go now, but don't forget to flip it over halfway through, and please keep an eye on it so that they don't burn. Let's make the quick side salad. Right, that's a cup of baby plum tomato, and this is a cup of cucumber, about 2.5 tablespoons of chopped fresh herbs. I'm using parsley because that's what I've got, and 1/4 for medium red onion. Got a large avocado here, and I'm going to use about 1/2 of that. I'm just going to spoon that out. Salt and black pepper. And we're going in with some lime, and we're going to follow that with some olive oil, some really good quality extra virgin olive oil, or you can completely omit it. I'm just going to give that a little mix. It's just a little side salad to serve with the wings. This salad is going to provide you with a nice freshness and cooling contrast to the spicy, sweet and tangy wings coated in the tamarind and pineapple glaze. So this is a perfect combination. Well, let me know if you think so. I think that is ready to be set aside until we get the wings out the oven. Our wings are ready. Look at these. They are looking pretty fine to me. Just going to let them cool down a bit before I plate up. Just going to brush with the remaining glaze. Let's plate up. Time to give it a test. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's spicy, but not too much. It's absolutely deliciously flavorful. You need to try it. Let's put some salad in. Let's put some greenery on this. And there you have it, guys. my pineapple and tamarind glazed chicken wings. Look at that. Don't you just want to get your mouth around that? Yum. And with a side salad of avocado, tomatoes and cucumber. Enjoy.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some love.